and you can see it's working. Wow, those views.
Alright, hi everyone, so guess what I have right here? Okay, I'll tell you right now basically my mistake. If you want to see what kind of mistake you already saw in the title, okay? You might think right now, why am I saying I did a mistake while buying M1 Mac Mini 512GB model? And I'll tell you right now. And the reason is as simple as forgetting that I have this exact model in my cart while browsing eBay and wanted to buy one specific part for my skateboard, and I end up with my MacBook that is right over here. And I couldn't do refund or anything because it was processing. I need to first also receive this MacBook, then send it back again. So I'm just gonna keep it. So it's all fine, right? Right? Of course it's fine. So let's start unboxing, and it's from eBay, of course, like I said before. So we'll see what's gonna be inside. Let's start while opening this amazing package with the most important part of it, the price. If I would go to Best Buy, I would pay $899 plus tax. That will be about $900. I paid $599 plus tax. It was like $650, $300 less. Actually, maybe even more than $300. That's just insane. So that's the thing with eBay. The price is incredible, just insane if you think about it, because even going to Facebook Marketplace, you can't even find this kind of deal. Okay, but you might think right now, I paid more than $300 less on eBay than if I would buy it on Best Buy, Apple Store, Amazon, wherever. Someone probably used this Mac for a few days, returned it, and I bought it from the seller on eBay. For me, every single seller that I was buying from on eBay have like incredible track record that I would give 5-star. Literally anything that I'm buying from eBay for much cheaper than it should be, the thing is always in incredibly well conditioned. So let's see how it's gonna be with exactly this model of MacBook. So here's this thing, and here's the Mac. Of course the box is not looking perfect. I already see it is from Best Buy. This is the sticker that Best Buy is using. You can see 512 and 8 gigs of unified memory. The thing is big, that's for sure. It was always small in my eyes, but we're in 2021, 2022 gonna be refresh of the design that's gonna be so much smaller. At least those are my hopes, and I guess everyone else hopes. I'm not hoping no more because I got this, so I don't need new refresh if it's gonna be almost the same. Well, the chip might be different, M2 or gonna be Max or Pro version in really small package, but well, for $599 I don't see myself complaining, because why would I? So let's go with the first tape here and second tape right over here. Let's just enjoy this moment with Louis Rossmann box. Apple. Let's enjoy this moment. I'll put maybe this box somewhere right here. Just perfect. So let's start with the unboxing. You can see it's sealed right here. It's very cold to the touch because it's metal. And the new refresh might be actually plastic. Oh, it's heavy because, yeah, metal. And okay, this thing is already looking like it's brand new with no damage and nothing. Like, look at this. Why would I pay $300 more if it's literally perfect? From every single side, it's just perfect looking. I can't even complain. Inside you can see instruction, cable that is actually legit, and also there's no HDMI cable. And the most important part, there's gonna be sticker. And it's a silver one! God damn! So nice! And it is matching very well with the Mac. This is just perfect looking MacBook without even one scratch on Apple logo. $300 cheaper. Well, that's a mistake. I'm still really glad that I made this mistake, to be honest. So I guess it's time for me to connect and tell you if inside is also this Mac good. Or if it's not, you're gonna know it. So I just connected this Mac Mini to my monitor, and you can see it's working very well.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It even have a speaker inside? How? This is really insane.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on.
Okay, Siri.
If you would like
Siri.
to learn how to use
Hi
VoiceOver
Siri,
to set
stop.
up your Mac, press the escape. There's nothing to stop here.
Okay, this is crazy what I just saw, how thin this keyboard is comparing to mechanical one. So here's this Mac, here are the settings. I was checking most of the things here, and also main complaint of almost everyone that I saw when there was complaint, it was always about Bluetooth, and from what I see it's working perfectly with my keyboard, headphones, mouse, everything is working great. So I guess Mac is working amazingly. That's the word I can use, right? So I'm testing right now even more this MacBook with Final Cut, everything. I even turned on right now Tomb Raider. Fans are not spinning, this thing is silent, dead silent, it's not hot, and you can see the settings that it turned on by itself. High, 8x, normal, high, almost everything is high, on high settings. And you can see it's working perfectly. I can't believe how smooth it is and how good it's looking like. And this is already game. You can see I can swing. Wow! No, no, no. Also, if you're gonna be interested, I have crossover for 2 years. It's gonna be good till 2023. If you're interested about GTA or something like this, let me know down below and I'm gonna do something about it to see how well this Mac is performing. Wow, this is on Mac Mini with M1. Impossible, just impossible how they did it. Okay, so I'm outside right now and it's looking incredible. Wow, and it's working so smooth. This is for sure 60 FPS and it's very stable 60 FPS. Wow. So they were saying playing on Mac is impossible and I just needed to see that, so I download GTA 5 and you can see the frame rate is just incredible. It's like 60 FPS no problem right now, and look at this incredible tree right here, it's beautiful. And I'm on like almost everything high settings, so this is working too well. I can't believe this game is working on this small Mac Mini. This is working just flawless, it's perfect. And this is like 60 FPS without any stutter. How? How, I'm asking? Really? Like, this is looking too good to be true. Now it's gonna be a real test because I will walk to this car and drive a little bit, so we will see how it's gonna be with loading map. So let's go inside the car.
You always was old choosy motherfucker.
Okay. And let's see.
Oh, you balling hard with the
Because
drop top,
for
boy.
now I don't see any issues. Not even one issue. So let's see. Still working perfectly. No problem. This is insane. This is insane. Wow. Okay, what can I say? It's working perfectly. Okay, wait, well, I don't know. Okay, stop. So I don't have any complaints actually. It's working very good, and I guess I will try to do better graphic maybe, just to see how much I can push this Mac Mini. You can see that Mac also don't have any complaints. Fan is just not working. Okay, hold up, I will turn off this thing. And now? Yeah, there's no sound. The fan is not spinning at all.
Yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass and she'll stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga. What?
So those are my settings. You can see Full HD because that's my monitor, and I did population and those things almost on half, and here high, everything high that I could, softer shadows. Okay, and from what I see I can do a lot. Actually I can probably do everything on maximum. because like you can see it's still working very smooth. The grass is here right now and everything, and yeah, the game is working perfectly still. I don't even know what to say at this point. This game is working too good. It's much better than I would expect ever. Okay, I need to turn off music, I just realized, but it's 1:44, it's very late. I need to wake up at 8, but I still want to try this game for you. It's all high settings, and you can see it's working. Wow, those views. It's hard for me to complain. Sometimes there are maybe some stutters, but I guess they can fix it. Crossover, I mean, the guys that made this application that can work with GTA, and yeah, it's just perfect. I can't really complain. This is M1 8 gigs and 512, so yeah, it's working very good. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and see you in another one. Bye bye. And also now I need to make this space look good, which is not gonna be easy.